Next step, you're going to pay for the shipping fee. Once OFR get your order, typically it's like 2 or 3 days. Once after you made an order, the OFR warehouse is going to get your order, and then they will check your order details based on your order form, and also they are going to send you an invoice to your email. Once you complete the invoice, they are going to ship to your door. Let's check out how to do that. Super easy. So here is my example what I get the invoice from OFR website. They are going to explain everything, why they charge you this, and how much the shipping fee from China to USA and the USA to USA, everything details and about the time, information, everything. And then you click the blue button, complete the order. Once you finish your invoice, they're going to handle your shipment from China to your home. Here I'm going to show you guys all the details how my payment going through to the online fashion resource. You can pay by Apple Pay, PayPal, Amazon Pay, or your credit card.